Yeah, I'm Gavin Araujo. I've enjoyed this game. We are very thankful for Fatehpur Veterans for organizing this 10th edition of their veteran tournament. And it's very well organized, very good ground condition. I think it's good for football. Thank you so much.
What is your experience about this tournament?
Yeah, every year we come for this tournament, and I think this is one of the best venues to play, one of the best grounds. And the organization is very good, and we enjoy this tournament whenever we come here.
What is the message for the youngsters?
It's very important that we take part in sports because these days we see youngsters glued to electronics. So it's important to keep their lifestyle better. They should take part in sports.
Okay, thank you.
मित्र वेटरन्स न्यू वेटरन्स आजच्या मध्ये झाले केरळ न्यू वेटरन्स भेटीवर
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.